I'm Geo Random, and today we're going to be going over the Raystown Lake Skills Park, and we're going to be going over some of the jumps, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Yep. Oh, now I gotta go stop the camera. Okay, so first we're going to go on beginner, and you can go pretty fast on this one. This is one I like. And it'll drop here. And then you come back up around. Okay, that's the end of beginner. So this is the intermediate trail. There's one pretty cool jump, and then there's a cool bridge and a couple berms. So let's get into it. Like getting a ton of speed down through here. Going up this little hill. Then this little berm. Then here's the jump in. Right down a hill. Then here's the bridge. And a nice berm. Here's another drop. Tiny one. And we come up here, and that's about it. So, yep. Okay, so here's Bryson. He's coming down, and he's gonna go over that small jump and down around that berm. That jump is super fun. I love that jump, and he's not gonna be doing the whale tail because we had a couple uncles that crashed on it. But here's the nice berm, the wooden one, and then come down around the berm. This place has so many fun berms, and you can come around here, and you can also cut off and like go up again, or you can go on the main trail. Bryson here is going and cutting off. Okay, so here I am going on the advance, and we're gonna come down through here, come around this berm, go over this small jump, and come around here. And this jump right here is super fun. And I just love it. And we're not going to be going on the whale trail because we had a couple uncles and my brother crashed. But we're going to come down through here, over this berm that you saw a little bit ago. And small jump, come around on this berm, down through here, and over this small jump, and another little jump right there. And we're going to go back through here. And this place is just awesome. I love it. I would highly recommend playing it. Like, I just love this place. Don't forget to wear your helmet or bring your helmets, because you're not allowed to ride this course without a helmet, no matter how old you are. But yeah, this place is just awesome. I would definitely recommend it. And I hope you enjoyed those few tours we gave you. And yep.
tired out. Yeah, those were some epic jumps and berms. Bless you. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Yep.
Like and subscribe and get no notified.